Hello everyone. Today we will see the card repertories in their chronological order. So the first card repertory which came was Guernsey's Burning Hussein Slips by William Jefferson G. But it was first used in 1892. Total number of medicines in this book are 126. The first card repertory which came was Guernsey's Burning Hussein Slip. Then after that, in 1912, Dr. M. Taylor's first card repertory came, which was based on Kent's work. Then, in 1913, Loose punched card repertory came by Welch and Houston. Total number of cards in this were 134. In 1913, if we rotate the 3 in the upward direction, it becomes W. So from this we can learn that in 1913 Welch and Huston card repertory came. In 1922 Dr. Field card repertory came, which contains 6,800 cards. Then in 1924 Dr. C.M. Boger's card index repertory came, which was based on synoptic key. And the first rubric of this repertory was aching and the last rubric was yellow. Total number of medicines in this repertory 250 and total number of cards 305, but as per Dr. L.D. Dhavle it was 319. Then after that in 1948 Dr. Marcos Zaminez repertory, which was based on Burning Hussein works, came. It was the first repertory to introduce evaluation of drugs. Total number of cards in this repertory 520 and total number of remedies were 552. Then in 1948 another card repertory came, which was by Dr. George Brosselaine's card repertory based on Kent's work. So this repertory is also based on Kent's work. Total number of cards in this 1861 and total number of medicines 640. Then in 1950 three card repertories came. First is R.H. Farley's Spindle card repertory. Second is W. Young and D. Pulford card repertory. And the third, Dr. L.D. Dhavle card repertory. So, Dr. W. Young's repertory and Dr. L.D. Dhavle repertories were not published. These two repertories were not published. And R.H. Farley's have total number of 190 cards and total number of medicines 274. So we have seen that three card repertories came in the year 1950. R.H. Farley's, Dr. W. Young and Dr. L.D. Dhavle. Then in 1955, Dr. P. Shankaran's prepared and published card repertory based on Boger's card repertory. Total number of cards used in this 420 and total number of medicines 292. And in this repertory, nosodes and ball nosodes were well defined. Then in 1959, Dr. Jugal Kishore's, that is Kishore's card repertory came. Total number of cards in this repertory 9,192. And in 1984, Dr. Shashi Mohan Sharma's card repertory came, which was based on Kent's final general repertory. Total number of cards in this repertory 3,000 and total of medicines were 400. Now let's revise the chronological order of card repertories. So first repertory came in the year 1888. That was by Kunses but it was first used in the year 1892 and total number of medicines were 126. Then second came in the year 1912 by Dr. M. Tyler and it was based on Kent's work. It is important to know that which card repertory is based on whose work. Then in 1913, just after 1 year, Welch and Houston gave loose punched card repertory. Total number of cards in this 134 cards. Then in 1922 came a card repertory by Dr. Field. It has 6,800 cards. Then in 1924 card repertory was given by Dr. C.M. C.M. Boga, that is Bogar's card repertory, and it is based on synoptic key. Okay, first rubric was aching and the last rubric was yellow. Total number of medicines were 250 and total number of cards were 305 but 319 as per Dr. L.D. Dhavle. Then after that, two card repertories came in the year 1948. The first was by Dr. Marcos Semenich repertory, which is based on Burning Hussain work. It was the first repertory to introduce evaluation of drugs. Total number of cards 520 and total number of remedies 522. These are remedies and this is card. Then another repertory which came in the year 1948 was by Dr. George Browselians, which was based on Kent work. It has total card was 1861 and the remedy 640. Then in 1950, three card repertories came. First by R.H. Farley's, then another by Dr. W. Young and D. Pulford, and the third was Dr. L.D. Dhavle. But these two repertories were not published. And the number of cards in this repertory was 190. Number of remedies 274. Then in 1955, Dr. P. Sankaran prepared a card repertory which was based on Boger's work. Total number of cards 420, medicines 292. It was the first card repertory where no sorts and ball no sorts were well defined. Now in the year 1959, Dr. Jugal Kishore's card repertory came with total number of cards 9192. Then in the year 1984, Dr. Shashi Mohan's card repertory came, which was based on Kent Final General. Total number of cards in this were 3000 and total number of remedies were 400. So this was the chronological order of card repertories. Thank you.